Sydney and Toby, together, you're the perfect combination that every parent hopes for. John and Renee, we started talking about this day 2 years ago, driving back from New York. We knew that after the day we moved Toby and Cindy to their apartment, that we would be here. So we knew we would be family then. Elisabeth and I have a whole new family thanks to you. Your love, your warmth, we couldn't be more grateful.
Oh my God, you look fantastic.
It is an honor and delight to declare you married. Toby, you may now kiss your bride. And what I wish for both of you on this wedding day is that your life together as a team is one of complete contentment.